Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Patra. So today we are going to see some MCQs on group automotion. These questions are very important for CSI, NET, GATE, UPSC, UPPSC, BAPSC, HPSC, MP, PSC, JPSC, and CSAT, CUET, ESSC, and other competitive exams. So let's see what are the questions. So first question is that the identity mapping I of G is called a automorphism of G. You have to fill in the blanks. So identity mapping is always called a trivial automorphism. Okay. So which option is correct? Option number A is correct. Trivial. Okay. So next question is that the group automorphism of an infinite cyclic group is of order. Infinite cyclic group has two generators. Okay, and automorphism take generator to generator. So only two automorphisms are there. So which option is correct? Option number C is correct. So the group of automorphism of a cyclic group. You take group of automorphism of a cyclic group, it forms a abelian group. So option number A is correct. Okay. Now third question is the center of a group. The center of a group is always a characteristic subgroup. So option C is correct. So fifth question, if G1 and G2 are groups, then E1 Cartesian E2 intersection E1 Cartesian G2, then what is this? Obviously E1 E2 will be answer. Okay. So option number A is correct. So next question 6 is, if a group G is internal direct product of its subgroup H and K, then H and K have only in common, fill in the blanks, identity. Answer is identity. If G is an internal product of H and K, then their intersection is always identity. It means identity is common, okay, in H and K. So option number B is correct. So seventh question, if G be a group and AB belongs to, then the element AB, A inverse, B inverse is commutator of AB. So option number B is correct. AB, A inverse, B inverse is commutator of AB. So question number 8, if G dash is the commutator subgroup of a group G, then G is abelian if and only commutator G is abelian if and only commutator subgroup is nothing but contains only identity element. So this is option number B is correct. Okay. Now ninth question, if G dash is the commutative subgroup of G, then G dash is normal in G. Option number A is correct. Commutator subgroup is always normal. Okay. So last question, if G dash is commutator subgroup of G, then G quotient G dash, because commutator subgroup is always normal, and its quotient, the quotient of G by itself, it means the quotient of G dash, quotient of G by G dash is always abelian. So option number, if you have a commutator subgroup, the quotient of G by G dash is always abelian. Okay. So option number C is correct. Okay. So today's up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's session. Thank you.